I just got done shopping at JRs Fireworks. Pretty good place to pick up some fireworks. And once I get back to the house, I'll show you what I got. Hey, Michael Smith here. We just got done doing a store tour at JRs Fireworks. And I went back and picked up a few things. Now I want to share with you what I got from JRs Fireworks. As you can see, starting off here, I got a big box of Black Cat, the Patriot 6-inch canister shells, and this is a 24 kit, and 12 of the shells are mine shells, and 12 of them are double breaks. These will be toward the end of my show, part of the finale. We will take a closer look at these shells here in just a little bit, but moving on, I also have these hot dog shells. It's a 6-shell kit called Hot Dogs, and I have no idea who makes this. I've looked everywhere for like a brand name. All I get is a price tag and a load instruction and a warning label. But anyways, also got some rockets by Great Grizzly called Warhead rockets. These are 38 inches. And Great Grizzly's a pretty good brand. A lot of people use them. I'm not so sure about the quality of these rockets though. I mean, these are nice size rockets, but most of them, I'm pretty sure it's just filler or empty. So you can squeeze them up here. There's 4 in a pack. And so these will, I'll put these in my introductory for my 4th of July show. Alright, also, I got some more Roman candles. These are by Dominator. These here come with little pegs, stick in the ground, but I'll be using them in my rack. I got these Black Cat premium brand candles. Each one of these candles, there's only 4 in a pack, but each one of these candles has a special effect. And I looked them up on YouTube, and they have some really cool candles. They have breaks, and so I should have got another pack of these so I can spread them out. I'm looking forward to shooting these here off. And the last thing I got at JR's was 12 pack of these Roman candles by Mad Ox called Candle Mania. And each one, there's 12 in here, and each one of these has like a different effect to them. But that's what we got at JR's Fireworks. We're going to take a closer look at these Patriot shells and the hot dog shells. So get a better look at what we got here. Okay, so now we're going to take a closer look at this hot dog I was telling you about. And the box appears kind of damaged, but it's mainly because of me, not because that's how it came. But when I first saw this package, I was like, you know what, I've got to get these. These are so cool. I mean, these just speak July 4th. Because July 4th is the #1 holiday when it comes to selling hot dogs. More hot dogs are sold on 4th of July than any other day in the year. So let's go ahead and I paid $32.95 for these. I think I overpaid for them, but anyways, when you open the box up, it comes with this nice little sleeve, a 6-shot sleeve, and it has the tube right here. Go ahead and cut this bad boy open. Alright, be sure not to cut the fuse in here. Oh yeah, here we go. I love the feel of hot dogs in my hand. Alright. Got 6 hot dogs. And they're actually labeled too. They're labeled. Well, they got some Chinese right in their room too. So that's number 4. Can't tell what that one is. That's number 3. So here's 3, 4, 6, 1. This was number 2. This is number 5. Okay, so the cool thing is these hot dogs, right, are labeled in order and actually have effect on them. Like number 1 says green with purple and yellow and gold strobe. And each one of these things tells you what they do, which is cool. Every pyro likes to see their canisters not only numbered but labeled for effect. The tube, I don't know if I can get it open here. The tube is really cool. It kind of coincides with the hot dogs themselves. This is about 12 inches long here. It's made of fiberglass. And so basically all you gotta do is, we're gonna take number 2 here. All you gotta do is take the tape, remove the tape, this, and it don't have a little nice little caps on top over here, but you take the little hot dog, you drop it in here, and you light and you run. Light, run, laugh. That's how it works. Alright, so these are going to be in my 4th of July show, with the exception to number 1. I'm going to keep number 1. He will not be used. He'll be saved. And also, I will probably not use this hot dog tube either. I'll probably save this as my collection. Alright, so that's the hot dogs. And let's move on to the other Black Cat item. One thing I forgot to say is that these hot dogs are 4-inch canister shells. So they pack a pretty good little punch. Or I don't know, I've never shown them before, but we're going to find out if they pack a pretty good punch. Alright, now it's time we talk about this bad boy, the 6-inch canister shell, Patriot canister shell by Black Cat Fireworks. I bought this guy at JRs for $206. I think I overpaid for it. This kit comes with 4 of these little miniature cases. Each case has 6 shots in them. Each case has a tube. One, 2, 3. Yeah, you can count. I trust it. It'll fall off here. And the last one. The box, before I go on, the box shows you pictures of what the shells look like. There's mine shell, there's double brakes, And they're not all just red, white, and blue like I thought they were initially. They actually have, some have green in them and purple. I was hoping they all be red, white, and blue. But anyways. Alright. Now like I said, each one of these the box comes with 4 little kits here. Here's all 4 of them. And each kit has 6 shells and 1 tube. Let's go ahead and open up one of these tubes here. There they are. They're paper. Nice white. And they are labeled too. I can see they're labeled. Here's number 15. Or can you see that from where you're at? This is a 15, a 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's 13 through 18 right there. Here's the tube. Nice solid base. Basically, take the shell, pull back tape. And just drop them. These here have the little caps on top of them to guide the fuse. Alright. Here's a little kind of comparison of the hot dog versus the Patriot. And as you can see, it's quite different. It's 2 inches. These are 6. These are 4 inches. These got a lot more power in them. Anyways, these is number 13 through 18. These are number, here's 19 through 24. There's 1 through 6. These are the first 6 right here. The second 6. Alright, so that's the look at the 6-inch Patriot canister shell by Black Cat. I'm definitely looking forward to shooting these off. Anyways, we'll see you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, keep banging.